Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. I welcome you all to Dr. A.Q. Khan School System Shahwazi Campus Kohat. In today's English class for grade 7, we are going to do the class book work of unit number 3. These are very simple questions. You just have to ask about the location of the things that are shown in the picture. Now here is the picture, and it shows that there is the king and he is sitting on the desk along with all these things. Now there are incomplete question and answers given at the bottom of this picture, and we have to complete them. For example, student 1 is asking where's the food. Now you have to use the word near. Student 2 will answer it as it's near the king. Now look at the next question. Student 1 will ask, where is the pitcher? Now we didn't know that we have to ask about the pitcher, but its answer is given, it's beside the fish. Now we have to look at the picture and see which thing is beside the fish. You can write down anything. You can write the basket of fruits, you can write the name of the pitcher, you can also write the name of the glass or whatever. So here we have filled it with where is the pitcher. Now the next question, where's the apple? All right, we are talking about a single apple, that's why where is the apple? It's in the king's hand, as we can see in the picture. Where's the king nose? It's given above, so it's above his lips. Obviously nose is above the lips. Where's the water? The preposition that you have to use is in. It's in the pitcher. Pitcher is the jar in which you keep the liquids. Where's the bread? Or a beard, sorry. Where's the beard? Beard is dari. Alright, so as we can see that beard is on his face, so we have to say it's under his mouth. Alright, it's under his mouth. Alright, moving on to next page, which says that now look at the picture and ask and answer questions about the following. Now these are the things, 4 things are given: the plate of fish, the king's crown, the king's eye, and the table. Now the first question is, where's the plate of fish? Plate of fish is beside the jar. Where's the king's crown? The king's crown is on king's head. Where are the king's eyes? King's eyes are above his nose. Where is the table? The table is in front of king. Alright, these are the prepositions that you have used. Now moving on to the next picture, as you can see, actually you have to practice questions where is and where are. So in this picture you can see that we are given different types of buildings: school, bank, market, restaurant, gym, library, post office, cinema, fire station. Alright, we have to ask the questions about these buildings. Now in the first one, excuse me, where's the post office? Now you have to look at the position of the post office. Post office, library, fire station. So you're going to answer it's beside the library. Excuse me, where is the library? Now as we saw in the picture, the library, it is between post office and fire station. So we have to answer it's between the post office and fire station. Where is Oak Street? Where is Oak Street? Now it is not about the building, they are asking about the street. Here it is Oak Street, and it is near to the gym and hardware store. Alright, so we have to answer it runs along the It runs along the school. All right, they have actually mentioned the school building, so we have to say that it runs along the school building. All right, these are the questions. Pardon me, where is the hardware store? It's behind the gym. Pardon me, where is the bank? It's in front of the school. Where is the cinema? It's beside the other tall building with many windows. All right, class. So you can make your own questions and write down in your rough copy and show it to me. And like this, you'll have your practice, or you can practice with your siblings and make a video of it and share it with me. Alright class, this was it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them for you. I love this.